I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to launch VS Code using Ollama or how we can use Ollama in VS Code. So first here, opening displays command prompt and let's use the CLS. Now you can see VS Code that already installed. So here, writing Ollama. So here you can see. So from here, by using Ollama, we can launch VS Visual Studio Code. So let's go there and click this. So you can use any post that's going to use this. And here, or this will be modify your Visual Studio Code configuration. That's fine. Proceed for yes selected, press enter. So this here, GitHub Copilot extension is not installed. So here you can see this is now that's come there. So first here, let's go on this extension. Let's write there GitHub. So this is now GitHub and the Copilot. So GitHub Copilot. Here I'm getting this message. This extension is deprecated. Use their chat. So let's click on this chat and now click on this install. So currently here we need to use this GitHub Copilot chat. So this is now currently installing. So that's come there. And here for chat, we need to do their sign in. So this, let's select chat with or Copilot. Or here, let's write there hi. So this is us telling about you need to do there, continue with GitHub, Google or this. So let's use there Google. The launching Visual Studio Code. Let's click on this open. Open and now you can start doing the chat. So here I have given hi, this returning. Thereafter here, this you can create and here you can see this KimKD and Ollama that's selected there. Now here you can ask any question. So here writing this give add programs in Python. So this is my question, give add programs in Python. So this is now returning the output in quick second of times. So this is the best thing about the Ollama. Okay, this is returning. Now let's here write a student management project in Python. So this is now returning the student management project in Python. Here you can add input. If their file, you can add into the file also. Okay, this all that's returning. Now you can use this according to your requirement. This all hi and this here returning student.py this. From this you can copy and use it. Okay, so this is how we can here launch VS Code using Ollama. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.